Greetings for the day. Today, we Group 6, I, Jessica, Chanpreet, Yagnesh, Akruti, Hetvi, Shubham Kumar, and Divyansh would brief you about the Reliance Industries Limited. Talking about the overview, it was founded on 8th of May 1973. Reliance Industries has been one of the most prominent business houses in India since independence. The baton was earlier with Dhirubhai Ambani and then it was passed to Mukesh Ambani, who's been a very good successor. The Reliance industry has 8 subsidiaries with Jio Platforms, Reliance Retail, and Mumbai Indians being the prominent ones. Reliance Petroleum is an Indian petroleum company that specializes in oil and energy, owned by Mukesh Ambani of Reliance Industries Limited, one of India's largest private sector companies. It is based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and has interests in the downstream oil business. Reliance Retail is the retail initiative of the group and an epicenter of our consumer facing businesses. It has in a short time forged strong and enduring bonds with millions of consumers by providing them unlimited choice, outstanding value proposition, superior quality, and unmatched experience across all its retail stores. Now, I would like Chanpreet to carry further.
Thank you, Jessica. Now, next is Reliance Power Limited. The Reliance Power Limited, formerly known as the Reliance Energy Generation Limited, it was established to develop, construct, operate, and maintain the power project in the Indian and the international market. And next is the Reliance Jio Infocom Limited, which is our topic for the presentation. It is an Indian telecommunication company. JioSoft launched on 27 December 2015 and became publicly available on 5th September 2016. There are few number of telecommunication companies in the India, from which Jio became the largest network operator in India and third largest network operator in the world. Now, my friend Yagnesh will continue.
What is an oligopoly? Oligopoly is a market structure where there are few number of sellers selling homogeneous but differentiated products to a large number of buyers. The perfect example of oligopoly is an opaque nation. The demand curve under oligopoly market structure is when the proportionate change in the price is lesser than the proportionate change in the quantity demanded, we get a relatively elastic demand curve. And when the proportionate change in the price is greater than the proportionate change in the quantity demanded, we get a relatively inelastic demand curve. Now, the DA and the DB together forms a demand curve for the oligopoly market structure. It is also known as the kink demand curve. Now, this is because of the interdependence of the firm. As firm follow the price cuts by a rival company, but not the price increases. Oligopoly market structure is a dogfight to capture the market share.
So today I'll explain you the features of oligopoly as to why Reliance Jio falls under an oligopoly market. The first is few big firms. There are few large firms, although the exact number of firms is undefined. There is a severe competition since each firm produces a significant portion of the total output. The second is barrier to entry. Under oligopoly market, a firm can earn supernormal profit in long run as there are barriers to entry like patent, licenses, etc. This barrier prevents the entry of new firm into the industry. Thank you. The next two features will be explained by Hetvi.
So the next point is interdependence. Under oligopoly, since a few firms hold a significant share in the total output of industry, each firm is affected by the price and the output decision of the revived firm. Therefore, there is a lot of interdependence among the firms and oligopoly. And the next is non-price competition. Firm tries to avoid the price competition due to fear of the price war in an oligopoly and hence depend on the non-price method like advertising, after-sales service, warranty, etc. This ensures that the firm can influence demand and build the brand recognition. Thank you. And after the next point will be explained by the Shubham.
Thank you, Hetvi. Now we will discuss other features of oligopoly market. The nature of commodity under oligopoly is homogeneous, but it can be differentiated on all the basis other than the price. And we also know that there is no price competition under oligopoly market. But the products can be differentiated on the basis like quality, additional benefits, marketing, advertisement, customer services, and quality, etc. For example, as we can see that on the screen that we have taken three companies like VI, Jio, and Airtel, and the price range for their 365 days are almost same. But at the cost of, but at that cost, VI provides 1.5 GB data per day with maximum additional benefits. And when we see about Jio, Jio provides 2 GB data per day with good amount of additional benefits. But when we talk about Airtel, Airtel gives 2 GB data per day with the lower cost, but the additional benefit is not that much. So here, these are the features of the which distinguish oligopoly from other market structure. Now over to you, Divyans. Thank you.
Heading towards the conclusion part. So therefore, we conclude that the oligopoly is a market structure where the firms can earn super normal profit in the long run because of its feature. However, the success of a firm majorly depends upon the unity of the sellers in the market. Feel free to ask any questions. Thank you.